Hello everyone and welcome to Scholarships Corner. This video is going to be very helpful for all of the students because in this video we will learn how to write an effective CV. If you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, then do subscribe to get daily updates about scholarships, fellowships, internships and much more. Also, don't forget to join us on our Telegram channel as well. You can find the link in the description or in the community tab of channel. A CV is a very important thing, a very important document whenever you're going to apply for any job opportunity, either online or offline. CV is something that represents you, that represents your personality before yourself. So it's really important for you to have an effective CV before you apply for a job opportunity or internship. In this video, I will state some important points to help you write your CV effectively. So, a CV includes everything from your basic information to qualification, achievements, skills, and work experience. It plays a vital role in the selection of a candidate for a position in a firm. So, why designing a professional CV is crucial for you? Before meeting a recruiter in person, CV is the only way to communicate directly to him. Your CV leaves an impression that makes the recruiter's mind whether to meet you in person or not. A tailored CV is the best way to increase your chance of approaching the employer. So, I'm going to give you some of the guidelines to write an effective CV. You should include your real name on your CV, your authentic email ID, and your address. You should never use a personal pronoun, which is I. You should never mention any irrelevant information like gender until or unless the application requires. You should never add your picture that may cause any biasness until and unless the application requires. You should mention your practical achievements and skills, and you shouldn't include any experience if you don't have any experience letter or a certificate. You should avoid complex vocabulary or flowery words. You should include simple language as the recruiter judge all these professional skills. You should always include work experience and qualification from the latest to the oldest. Then you should review the CV for any punctuations or grammatical mistakes. You should never add any reference until it is required. Whenever you write your phone number on your CV, make sure to add your country code with the phone number. You should never add hobbies or interest in the CV. Don't write about your hobbies and interest. They're not inviting you to friendship. You should always design a CV according to the specific job, education, or internship requirements. A CV should be based on a single page, but it can be 2 pages as well, but should not be more than that, as it takes too much time to review the application that recruiters don't have. You should design the relevant CV according to the employer's requirements. You should always use PDF format for emailing CVs and cover letters so that page settings wouldn't be disturbed while printing. You should always review the CV before applying for the specific job or place and look for the keywords according to the specific job requirement. For example, a clinical dietitian professional may have used words in job skills or traineeship such as counselor, assessment. It doesn't matter how good you are at your grades or achievements if you wouldn't show professional write-up in your CV. Your chances of selection will be quite low. Your CV must be a wholesome formula that shows your passion for work, interest in the firm, dedicated and efficient in your field of interest. You will be assessed entirely by the recruiter from the page of your CV. If you follow these guidelines, you can easily write an effective CV, which can be very helpful for you for your job opportunity or internships. I hope you find this video helpful. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to follow us on our social media handles. Thanks for watching. For more amazing and useful content, you can also join us on our Telegram channel. You can access the link which is present in the community tab. Meanwhile, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, then do subscribe and hit the bell icon to never miss any update.